aura, ki, vibrations, karma, life, light, spirit, shakti, soul, nature, or Gong, inner light, mana, sakti, life, blood. These are all words that we use for a very simple thing that is rather extraordinary in every right, and that is purely the energetic essence that powers you. As a whole, we are driven through this life by one thing and one thing alone, and that is Qi, life force.
Today we will be doing an introduction to what we call Snake Swallow's Moon. Snake Swallow's Moon is a beginning Qigong set that comes from the Tianjin Sacred Heart mountain style of the Wudang Mountains. This is a very potent sadhana practice for expanding the awareness of your own Qi, for deepening your own practice of Qi manipulation and handling, for renewing and cleansing the energy of the body, and also has the effect of cleansing the elements in the body, hyperoxygenating the organs, the cells, bringing everything in a more clean and renewed state. There'll be a little bit more of that we'll explain, but for now, we're just going to start with Snake Swallow's Moon. You will begin with feet shoulder width apart. You're going to breathe and focus on your breath.
An important notation to make is that when you draw the breath in, breathe deep from the stomach, from the bottom, hollowed out.
We will begin by taking in a deep breath, and then your hands are going to go down to the ground, touching the ground as comfortably as you can, as low as it will allow without injuring yourself. If you can get your wrists bending on the ground, that's really nice. Then you're going to reach in between your legs as far back as you can comfortably. So reach in between the legs, holding there for a second. Now you're going to grab the back of your ankles, and we're going to be inhaling as we come up to the kidneys, and then exhale, shoot to the sky. Letting go and releasing everything into the celestial realms, into the heavens, giving back to God, Creator, the All, Atman, whatever you want to define it as. Letting everything not within resonance of yourself go and be free from you. No longer serving. Then you're going to inhale, come to prayer hands position. Down once more. Hands point to the ground, come down, touch the ground. Bend to your wrist again. Holding here. This time you're going to go to the side lines, side meridians of your body, breathing and inhaling up to the kidneys, all the sides, and then shooting to the sky. Release and exhale, letting go of all that does not serve us, releasing everything not in alignment with our body, our soul, our one true mission for this world. That which not is in balance with us, we give back, we let go. Once more, inhale, prayer position. Hands point down, shoot to the ground. Let the wrist bend. This time coming up the front lines. Inhale to the front of the stomach, shooting up. Letting go, giving all back to divinity itself, all back to the all, not belonging to us, releasing, releasing, releasing. And now in our final bringing of the hands to the prayer position, you're gonna inhale, hold in front of your chest, lotus position. So hands slightly cropped open, not completely flat. And you're gonna sit here and you're gonna focus on a happy memory, the feeling of gratitude. And if you can't see or visualize a happy memory, just hold on to the feeling itself. Let it take shape in your chest. Now think of your favorite color. And now we're gonna let that color ripple through our body as we breathe in and exhale 5 times. Perfect. Now the left hand is gonna go over the right hand, and you're gonna go right below the belly button, seated like this, and we're gonna rotate, massage.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also for the full featured version